All right, folks, so today we're taking a look at ProductTube. You can make some videos here and get paid $50 per hour. Really cool. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel to be notified of new videos coming out. The notification bell as well to be notified. I make videos about making money online, things like that. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get a free membership, 2 free websites, free training, a whole huge community of like-minded people there as well to help you out, including myself to help you out once you get going. So check that out as well. But let's dive into this now and let's take a look. So this is called ProductTube. Basically, all you need to do is go to the Apple Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android phone. And basically you just sign up, and when you sign up, you can make demos of different products and things like that. Now there's 2 different kind of things you can do. You can do in-store videos, or you can do at-home videos. They'll go into more of the detail of exactly what you actually have to do, or what kind of videos I should say. And then you receive rewards within 48 hours. And these videos are for product research. They're not put on public places or anything like that. And make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. So you're not gonna make a lot of money, consistently, I should say. You're gonna make some. That's some decent money per month. That's like half your phone bill, Netflix, Amazon Prime bill. I don't know, whatever you want to use it for. It doesn't matter, but it's still some good money that you can make doing this. And let's see here. Let's check the Apple Store real quick, their iTunes. The rating they got a 4.7, so that's a pretty good rating there. Mostly, 5 stars. I'm not going to read all of these, but we'll just go into there. And then the Google Play, ProductTube. There we go, 4.5 out of 5 stars. So a lot of good reviews here, folks. So it's definitely something worth checking out to make some good money. Testimonials here. You can read these at their website, or I'm not gonna go on to everyone here. So here's like an in-store example, and then here's an at-home example of the review of the products. Like I said, this is for market research. So it's not going to be public videos. I mean, these videos are public, obviously, because they're for testimonial purposes. But so anyways, check it out. It's really easy way to make some money. So really cool, folks. $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. Not a bad deal. Make some extra cash. Obviously, you're not going to get rich, but if you want to make some money online and really make some good money, consistent money, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's in the link in the video description below. And that is all for now. And I will talk to you soon. And if you do this, let me know in the comments below. Check it out, folks. All right, talk to you later.